Hello friends, my name is Ankit. So we are going to start the next topic in the digital marketing. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. The next topic, getting on social media. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our topic is getting on social media in the digital marketing. There are lots of different social networks out there, and knowing your business goals and how you want to incorporate social into your strategy will help you decide which ones are the right for you. Once you decide, you need to join and establish your presence in your chosen networks. Each one is different, but there are some common elements. First, social networks for businesses can be a little different than social networks for individuals as well. For example, you might have a special personal Facebook account where you can connect and share with your personal friends and family. But the platform also offers pages specifically designed for the businesses. Other networks don't look at all that different whether you are a business or an individual. Before you signing up, check into whether the network you are joining distinguishes between businesses and individuals, and make sure you set up the right one for you. Once you have got this figured out, it's time to sign up. This usually means creating an account. Generally, it's best to use business email address to do this, so you can keep your personal and professional account separate. Next, start loading up information. Now, every social network is going to be different, but there are some universal things like your business name, a description of who you are and what you do, your address, your email address, and your phone number will be same. These are all pretty standard, and you may even be able to upload an image of your business logo. Many networks will use this information to create a profile page for you, which is kind of like your home page within the network itself. Different social networks offer different things for you, so take some time to explore your options, not forgetting your plan. Remember, the tone of your voice you decided to use and the business goals you want to support will be different. This will help you as you write the description for your business, as you list your products, chosen the images or videos you want to showcase, and even personalize your profile page with background images. Your profile page is often the place where you will be sharing your content, having conversation, and displaying your activity. Generally, all that information you have entered about yourself will be accessible to people when they visit this page, and all the things you are posting to it and sharing along with the comments and activity on those posts will show up here as well. This creates a kind of living history of your business virtual life in the network. Also, don't forget, many of these profile pages are also accessible by search engines. So, the more great content you provide here, the better the chances that your special social pages might even show up when people are searching on search engines. Whether people find you through search or by will be the different scenarios. Seeing something they are interested in that you shared, you will be likely click over to these profile page, and it can give them a great overview of who you are and what you offer to them. Even better, they will be able to easily interact with you and hopefully become your next customer for you. Finally, many social networks offer advertising and opportunities or special features for a price. For example, you may be able to pay for the right to see who else in the network has been looking at you, or you may be able to pay out to put the content in the same manner. You are sharing in front of specific groups of people on those networks. Have a look at the paid programs offered by the social networks and see if they are valuable to you. Creating your business's presence on the networks you will be using, always keeping your goals in mind, is an essential setup on the path to social success. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.